Hi, I'm Garrett with Pit Boss Grills, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble the Blue Blazing 3 Series vertical smoker. First, I'm going to take everything out of the box and lay it out. Be sure to check the owner's manual to make sure that you have all the parts. First, I'm going to mount the legs to the lower cabinet. Secure the control panel to the front legs. Mount the support bar to the back legs. And secure support panels to the left and right sides. Install the power cord bracket to the left leg panel. Mount the bottom chamber to the underside of the smoker cabinet. Use screws, nuts, and spring washers to mount dampers to the inside of the smoker cabinet. Put the handle on the back. Using 6 screws, fasten the upper smoker cabinet to the lower assembly. Install the grease strip tray to the door. Assemble the cooking grid supports to your desired heights. Place the water pan support in the bottom of the cabinet. Slide in the wood chip tray and mount the thermometer to the door. Fasten the handle to the door. And fasten the latch to the cabinet. Add the finishing touches, then you're done. And that's how you assemble the Pit Boss Blue Blazing electric smoker. Thanks for watching, and be sure to go online to pitbossgrills.com to check out other products.